Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download the Blender on your Windows. Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software. Now on how you can download that into your Windows, it is just very easy. So we just need to open the Chrome browser. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Now click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, type Blender, download, hit enter, and you'll find the first option from www.blender.org. Click on that and simply click this button, download Blender. Now the setup file will be downloaded from here. So I have already downloaded the setup file and this will take for like 20 to 30 minutes. Now once this is done, then this is how it looks like. So just simply click on the folder icon and then double click on the setup file and then close the remaining windows. And here you have to click on next. You can also change the destination folder. Just click on the change button, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click on next, click on install, and just wait for the process to be done. Now click on finish, and now it has been installed into our Windows. So what we can do is we need to simply click on the Blender icon on our desktop. So here you can find this Blender icon. Simply double click. And you can also search for Blender in the Windows search bar. And that will appear as an application under the best match. So here in the Blender, you have to first go with this quick setup. Language, click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose the language that you prefer. You can simply choose from here in the list of languages. Now I'm just going to go with English. You can also have here the theme. It could be Blender Dark or Blender Light. Now let's go with Blender Light. And you also have here the K-map, Blender. And then you have the mouse select. It could be left or right. And then click on continue. And then simply use the Blender application from here. So now the Blender application, what you can do is you just need to simply enjoy its features. Okay, so you just need to simply enjoy its features from here. So there are a lot of tools from here. On the left pane, there are also a lot of tools from here at the top. So it's up to you. And now I've just shown you on how you can download and install Blender on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.